Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to repair the Bluetooth connection issues on your Android device and you are looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through some solutions for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. You can go to your settings for that, and once you access your device's settings, you can go over and go to the connection section. Once you go to the connection section, you can look out for Bluetooth. And what you may do is you may just go over and turn this option on right here. And after you do so, you can turn it off again by tapping on it. And you can just go over and toggle that option and see if that fixes your issue by turning it on, off, and on again and again. Also restart your device. So you can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option. And once you do so, you can power cycle both of your Android phone and the Bluetooth accessory that you're trying to connect and see if that fixes your issue. Also, make sure your phone's operating system and the device's firmware are up to date. For that, go to your settings. And once you go to your settings app, you just need to go over, scroll down, find the option for software update, and go ahead and tap on it. And once you do so, you can look out for download and install option and look out for the updates if there is any available and confirm it up. And also ensure both of the devices has sufficient battery power because you need to have a battery if you want the Bluetooth connection to be done properly. And also check your range. Make sure both of the devices are within the optimal Bluetooth range of each other so that the devices can pair easily with each other. Or you can clear out the Bluetooth cache. So go to settings for that. Scroll down, find the option for apps and tap on it. And you can look out for the option of showing system apps. So go to apps and tap on filter. And once you do so, tap on system apps and turn it on. And tap on done. Once you turn it on, you can look out for Bluetooth option. So you can scroll down, find Bluetooth and tap on it. And after you find Bluetooth, you just need to go over and look out for the storage and tap on it. And go ahead and clear the cache for your Bluetooth. And also clear data if necessary. And that should also repair the Bluetooth connection issues on your Android. And that's it, everybody. Those are the solutions you can follow up to repair your Bluetooth connection issues on your Android phone. So make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.